Hi, hello, good evening.
Hello,
Hi, how are you, hello, today?
I'm doing good.
You are doing good. Okay, so we'll start our lesson today. Yeah, did you go anywhere
Hmm?
last weekend to
Last
spend your
week,
holiday?
I kind of still didn't go anywhere last week.
Ah, you didn't go anywhere last week. Okay, okay then. Wait. School break is over, right? It's already.
No, mine's a little longer. Mine's
Oh, your school break is still long?
it's until the ninth, until
Ninth.
this Friday. Yeah, until
Oh,
this Friday.
wow. Oh, okay. So you will start at 12.
I'll start at Friday, but it's only like it's not even starting much on Friday.
Oh, okay. Wait, which grade are you in right now?
Um, second grade in high school.
Secondary high school, so 11th grade.
Yeah,
And this semester it's the semester you will go to the next grade.
yeah.
Okay. You already figured it out? What do you plan for the next? Maybe you will go to the university or you will go to work directly?
I'm still thinking about that.
You're still thinking about it. But do you
Yeah,
have any options?
I don't know, maybe Venus. Or no, I don't know.
Venus?
Yeah, maybe
Oh,
that.
oh, okay. Wait, yeah. Okay then, so we'll start our lesson then ya. We'll continue from our last lessons, and it was about, wait, what was it about? Still remember about it?
Last
What
last
was
time
it?
was about like conditions.
Yes, it was conditions.
Yeah, yeah.
So yeah, you learn about conditions. So what do you mean by a conditions? What is a conditions?
It's basically like you want to make it so like if something happens, then something else will. Or if it doesn't, if that doesn't happen, else is like what fills it up. What else is like if it doesn't meet the condition, it's gonna do that instead. Yeah.
Yeah, totally correct. So it's like controlling your program, whether the program will run the A command or the B command. Yeah,
Yeah.
either both conditions, or it
Yep.
could be any condition as well, where
But
you
if
are
it doesn't,
using elif.
yeah, but if it doesn't reach a condition, it's else.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm.
So today we'll continue our lesson, and it will be about object-oriented programming or OOP. Still remember? I think because it's a fourth course, so you already learned about the OOP several times. What was it?
Good.
So, mhm.
Um, it's to be able to group an object into like one.
Yes, it's a grouping an object. Yeah, or yeah, it's grouping the objects.
Into
So,
one.
yes, simply when we are talking about OOP, it's talking about templates. So you don't have to create it from the scratch. For example, do you play a game like a Mobile Legends, or have you ever played it?
I've played it before. No, I don't really play it.
Okay. So in Mobile Legend, if you remember about it, there's so many heroes in there, right? So I suspect that in Mobile Legend, it's implemented the object-oriented programming because if there's a new hero, you don't have to write it or you don't have to code it from a scratch, but just call it from the template. And for example, you will create a Mia, you will create a Lila. You don't have to write it from the scratch. Just change the name, just change the skills, and also just change the ability, and etc. Yeah, because you already
So
have
it's
the
like
templates.
the stat place. So like
Yes,
one thing equals to that, and then you can change it with like a different data.
yes. You just change its data, and it will create a new objects. Totally correct. Yeah, like that.
Okay.
So we'll go to the objects. So objects, it's object-oriented programming, and it consists of object and entity. Yeah. So what do we mean by objects? Object is like a user, a computer, a products, or anything. Laptop. Yeah. So how to create object in JavaScript? You can use a let user and just create like a dictionary in Python. Yeah, which is
Yeah.
has its own key and also its value. Yeah, so it will become a key value pairs. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, yeah, still the same. Yeah, we are also use curly brackets for creating object in JavaScript. Now, a property names can be written without quotes if they do not contain space. If they contain space, you need to have or you need to put the quotations. Okay.
Wait. Wait.
So if you want to create a new property, you just can like this one. You can add a new property user.login equals algo. Then it will append its property to the object. Yeah. Now, we already know about object has its own properties and also has its own functions. Yeah, like the mouse. Yeah, the mouse it has the properties and also the function, which is the function is moving our cursor, right? So in JavaScript, you can write, you can put that like this one, just create a functions, and then you can put in that functions. Yeah, specifically
So
we are called it like methods in JavaScript.
you
Yeah,
can put a function in a dictionary or like
what do you mean?
you can put a function in a what is it? OOP?
Yes, you can put a function in objects.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, iterating through the properties. So you set several properties. So how can we get all of the properties? You can use a for loop. Yeah, like this, let I in user and console.log I. Then you will repeat all of the properties in the objects. Yeah, so you will get name, number, and also greetings. Yeah, because you repeat the field. Okay. Now, if you don't
What is
want to get the function, then just create conditions where it's not a functions using exclamation mark and equal sign.
what's the field? What is
Field,
field?
this one, the attribute names. So it contains the attribute names and also the attribute values before the colon and after the colon. Yeah, before the colon is the field, after the colon is a value.
You have to call it field?
No, it's just like any
The variable?
any variables that you can set.
Okay.
Yeah. The next one. Yeah, that's all. Have any questions?
So what if it just wants the function? If it just
Hmm?
wants the function, if like some reason you only want the function, do you just do equal equal?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. We'll continue, yeah. Now, the next one is classes. So you create your own objects, but how can we group it to make a new entity or a new classes? So a class is a description of an entity that can later be used as a basis for creating a new specific objects. So you don't have to write it uh, from scratch again. Yeah. So how to do that? So a classes like this. Yeah, you can have a car classes, and have it have so many properties. Yeah. So how can we create that? You just use a class operators and the name of its class, and then you can create this one to create an object based on class. Use the new keyword. The new keyword. Yeah. So ensure you have the class users. After you will create a new object, just create a simple variable and call a new operator and call the class name after it. Yeah. Now, in the user, you can use a constructor where you can go to the name, surname, ID, and you will have a new operator also. We call it as a this. So it's similar with self in Python.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is we call it as a this. Yeah, so if you want to create a new object, just follow the constructor, which is the name and then the surname and the ID. So it will be the name, the surname, and also the ID for user one object. Okay. Now, so this keyword is used with the same logic. Using this in the constructor, we revert to the object that is being created right now in particular. Okay. So what do you have in mind? What entities can be identified in these sections? Or what are the classes in here? What is the class?
Object, the name of the object, like
Yes.
plate, mug, rocket, marshmallow, and then the price of
Yes.
each object.
Yeah. Yeah. And
Mhm.
also we can create like this one.
Images as well,
Yes, a product. Yeah. Where you can set the name, you can set the price, the
the
pictures, and also
description.
the descriptions. Yeah, name, description, price, and okay. So whenever you want to create a new object, just call it a new and then the class of name.
uh,
Okay. Have any questions?
What was that? Can you go back? Go back like
Huh?
one. I thought I saw like some code with HTML.
Ah, this one.
Yeah, this. Was this just like how to make it shorter?
Mm, no, it's like I think it's a
Yeah.
functions. And yeah, it's
Yeah.
shortening your code actually. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Have any
so
other questions?
not
No? So if you don't have any questions, we can go to the exercise. So please share your screen, yeah.
How much?
For the errors, so in errors there are four errors, and no errors only two.
Zero, two. Like this.
Hmm. Wait. So for this one is already correct.
So small.
Book out this. Wait. Hmm. Yeah, this one. Yeah.
This one's the right one?
Yeah. Oh,
Huh?
wait.
Oh,
I think the comma. Yeah.
no, this one forgot quotations. Like in this one, there's no quotation.
Yeah. Right. Write the questions.
What am I missing?
So just fix this code. Yeah.
This.
No. You have read the questions?
Yeah, so just fix the error.
Yeah. Okay. So actually, oh yeah. Can you figure this out? Line two, three, four. D,
What?
the equal sign. Yeah. It's suppose not you are using the equal sign, but colon.
Or
Yeah, cool. Add a new method, yeah.
oh, wait, what? Is a function in the
Yes, you put a new function in the object.
what's it?
Yes, cool.
It's not printing.
But how can you call the functions?
We just call the
Actually, you can put a loop, yeah. So to make it better, you can use like this. For the whole code, it will be look like this. But yeah, nah, this one. Hmm.
but it's only prints this. Is it supposed to print all this?
Yeah, but it's already correct, right? You already
Yeah.
call it all of that. It's just
Or,
using a loop.
or filled in this.
Yeah, still the
Okay.
same thing. Can go to the number five.
It's just it. Add another core to the program. Still,
Okay. So how can we do that?
Asking me to make a class?
No, you
Or you're
just create
making
a new
another?
functions and another objects, and it's similar. Yeah, the other object is similar with the preface. Oh, just put number two in there.
Yeah. Yeah. We just copy this. I make a function. Do I give both of them a function?
Okay, so for the reference, I will show you this one for the bank card. So you have a new object bank card, and there are two functions in there: print card info and the transfer. Yeah, and after that, you just copy it and add number two after the name of objects, and it will be look like this. It's really similar, right? Hmm. It's similar. You just put number two in there. It's one of the way. Yeah. If you have another other way, could be possible.
Where does where do they get money?
What do you say?
Why is there suddenly like money in card if there's no like
We want to create a transfer from card to card, right? So we will make from this object to the other object. How many we need to set the money and which card that will transfer. We set it
with the
in the
other one?
second. Yes. So that's why
We'll
the card
find
and
out
also the money. So it's like a giving, and this one is receiving.
to do that. Because which one has more balance? Wait, but what does this? What does the card not balance do in here?
Hmm. I think it will print the insufficient funds, yeah, because in this card there's only 1,000, but this one is 3,000.
It says if 1,000 is more than money,
Hmm.
then it loses 1,000.
So
And
money is 1,000, card is
yeah,
3,000, I think.
wait,
So it gets other balance from other cards, or it could be possible from the reverse side, yeah, which is the money is the 3,000 and the card is 1,000.
this a new function, the transfer, or is it in the same bank card?
Yeah, I think for the card info it's the same.
Wait, so is it in the function or is it in the bank card or is it outside?
It's inside the bank card. So it's other method,
So it's another,
but not inside the print info, yeah. Uh-uh.
yeah.
Actually, you can just console log, yeah, for the which one is the balance and which one is the money. For example, you can call the console log this one after this line, just console log.
Console log
What
money.
is the, yeah, what is the number for the balance and what is the number for the money? So balance comma money. Yeah,
Console
so
log
the
money
money. So the
for
money is
the,
1,000, right?
yeah,
How about the balance?
the balance is 1 pound. There's no money.
It's undefined, right?
Yeah, the money is undefined. The balance is
Yeah, the
1,000.
balance is already available, right?
Where does the money? Is this the money?
I think you need to call this. You need to call this there.
What dish?
Yeah, it's like a default because you haven't called the functions, so it directly print the console log whether the the balance is bigger or less from the money. Yeah, so later on you need to call like this one and put the argument in that function as well.
Print this inside.
Like that. So it's like a basic functions where you need to call that before. So it could be anything for the number of the money. Okay. For the bonus, we can go to the number, go to the second section. Yeah. Go back. Hello.
What? Oh, here?
Click the back button.
Oh, later.
Yeah,
Let
number
me do
two.
this one.
Yeah. Go to the classes.
This one.
So there are five correct answers. Yeah.
What?
No. A class is like an object. No, it's different. Correct. 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 Yeah. Okay.
We don't need to put a value for class, right?
Hmm.
You don't put a value for class. That's what you
No.
just did.
Yeah. Yeah. Correct.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, let's see. What else? What else do I do?
The constructor is finished. So you need to create a new object. Read the questions.
Oh,
Actually, you need to put this one. Let users. So create a new object from the class.
here, like one.
Right. Cool.
It's for the just
So you already have the template, and you can see from the HTML there's data in there. Just get it. When user input, the value will start in the new object.
the user.
Okay. Wait. Let me share. Let me show it to you. Yeah. So the first step is you need to get the HTML element.
All of the HTML.
Yes, query selector called the class. After that, you add event click listener. When you click the create a card, yeah, then it
The
will store all the values. Yeah, in the new user, in the new card as well, and then it will be pushed to a new list. So all of the information will store.
Where's it gonna get pushed in the card?
Yes, because we have
This
a list in there. But have you read it? A list? Oh yeah, this one. You will create it later on.
this is card. This is cards.
Yes, that's why it's plural.
Oh. Like the CVV is always 100 or what?
Hmm.
The CVV is it always 100 in this one?
Yeah, it's a number.
What balances?
Hmm?
And no balance.
Low balance?
Is there balance or not? This You're supposed to show.
No, it's
Oh,
just like you can console log the cards, card using as yeah, checklist.
I think
Oh
it's
yeah, you
you
need
have
to
to
click it. You need to click it.
put the uh,
Ah, okay,
this
that's all for today. Yeah, I'll review the code. Have any questions so far? So yeah,
stuff.
it will be so much things will go through in JavaScript. Yeah, and the next one will be more challenging, and it will be about animations. Yeah, you will start how to create a new animations using JavaScript. Where yeah, we already mentioned. Yeah, JavaScript is like giving you the interactions for the user in the website. Okay, so if you don't have any question, we'll dismiss our class today, and I will see you on the next session. Bye. Hello.
Okay.
Good evening.
Goodbye.